Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. The arrow on the mechanism indicates the front of the chair. Connect the mechanism to your back support with the included knob. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.